Hey guys, here's Florida Parks After Dark. Well, we have an ongoing question here at Florida Parks that we get from the people who are subscribed to our channel. Are the gas stations on Walt Disney property? Yes. Right here is a speedway. It has a car wash, and it is literally, if you come around with me, right through there between those cars, that's the boardwalk. If you come over here, there's the Skyliners. There's a great sunset. And right over there through that tree line is Hollywood Studios. So you can get your car wash, you can get gas, you can get your little snacks for the day. All that can be done here at Disney. There are about 3 gas stations throughout the property. If you use your map app, just type in gas on your property, you'll find it. Literally drove here on vapors on my way home and said, I gotta share this with people who may not know any better. The other little trick to tell you about this speedway specifically, Epcot is literally on the other side of this building. And it is a fantastic spot to watch Illuminous. Yes, I said you can watch Illuminous at the Speedway after you get your car washed and your tank is full and you got your snacks. What can't you beat? So that being said, guys, this is your Florida Parks After Dark. We are here at the Speedway, right outside Boardwalk. You guys have a fantastic day. Do me a favor, like and subscribe, and we'll keep showing you stuff like this all day long. Guys, take care.